Hey guys, Tejas here, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be, sharing how you can use AI tools to gather data to your directory products. So I have been getting a lot of questions on how you gather data. So there are a couple of ways that you gather data to your directory products because data is the most important part of any directory, right? And mostly people do scrape a lot, and I have also done a tutorial on how you can scrape data from Google Maps and create a programmatic SEO directory with cursor. You can just check it out on my channel as well. It has been getting good response. It's a very long tutorial of around 1.4 hours. So I would recommend if you want to know how you can gather data via scraping Google Maps, right? But in this video, I will be telling how you can maximize your AI tools and gather data directly from, AI tools itself. So in this video, I will be, taking two examples of AI conferences directory and AI podcast directory, and we'll prepare data for this two directories, right? From ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, etc., etc., right? So let's get into ChatGPT. And if you are using the free version, it's fine, but I would highly recommend getting a plus subscription of ChatGPT because O3 model, it's pretty powerful. It's very powerful when it comes to like gathering data, doing research, right? It's kind of like a mini deep research version, right? So I'll just show you how you can gather data. It's about prompting and gathering data from all these AI tools, and then we will pasting all of this data into a directory, right? The main purpose is to gather data. So I will tell ChatGPT O3, and first of all, I will also enable web search, right? So I'll tell ChatGPT O3 model, I am preparing an AI conferences directory. Please research all of them and give me a list with all the details, and later on please provide in CSV format so I can just copy it down in a Google Sheet. Kindly do a detailed research. So I will just prompt this down to an O3 model, because if you use O4 and O4 mini high, it's not that great for research, but O3 is really powerful, and make sure you have enabled the search, right? So I will just click enter, and side by side, let's also go to Perplexity. So this is a Perplexity, and this is ChatGPT 3. So I'll just copy this down. And what I can do is like I can do a deep research over here and just paste it over here as well. So we'll have two responses. We'll also go to grok.com and also do a more deeper research from here as well. So I'll go deeper research, and by the way, this is a free version of Grok. I'm not using the free paid version. So this is a deeper search, and as you can see, this is Grok 3. So I will enable deeper research on Grok. I've already enabled research mode on Perplexity, and I am using O3 over here. So also I can use deep search, which can be which can gather a lot of data, but this is also fine, I guess. So these are some of the conferences that we have, right? For AI conferences. This is interesting. So this is what we want, right? And as you can see, there is a lot of data. Then I can just ask ChatGPT O3 to convert this into CSV, but it has already done it for me. As you can see here, right? I can just copy it from here. So this is how you can get the data for a directory product and build a simple directory. And you don't have to like hire interns or data research people for this because AI can do the most of the jobs for you, right? So what I can do is like I will just copy it down. I will add it over here, and what I can do is like I will split the text to columns, and there you go. We have AI conferences directory in front of us. This is the start date, this is the end date. We have the city, we have country, we have the menu with us, we have the focus type as well. We have organizers from as well. This is the format. This is really interesting. And as you can see, let's see how much data we have. We have 33 rows. Then we have the submission deadlines as well. These are some of the notes, right? Not sure about this. So as you can see, we have gathered like around 33 rows from ChatGPT o3. If I ask on deep research, it might be even more. By the way, we forgot one important tool, that is Gemini. Gemini can also be really great. And as you can see, deeper research is still working. Deeper research is still work in progress, as well as Perplexity, right? So I hope you got the gist. I can also, do Gemini.com and do a deeper research from here. But I think deeper research is really great because it can gather a lot of data, but you need to be very, detailed and be specific with the prompts, because Gemini can add a lot of irrelevant data as well because it goes into much of detail. So you can use Gemini as well. I will not show in this video because it's very easy. You just have to copy paste it into the AI chat, search box, and it's still working in progress. I think we have done with the Perplexity part, and if we have this, okay, it's still adding over here. I have also asked to do in a CSV format. Let's see if it can do, and if it doesn't matter at all. But the goal is to find any data that ChatGPT missed out on, right? And by the way, this type of way of gathering data, I'm already building a directory, and gathering the data from ChatGPT o3 and using this AI chat boxes, right? And because like these AI bots can scroll all of the websites, majorly all of the websites unless these websites have blocked the crawlers, AI crawlers, we are good to go, right? And this is still working on, right? So I think if I do a deeper research on ChatGPT, it can get even more data for us. So I hope you got the gist of it. I will not go into much more details into Perplexity and Grok as well, because as you know, this might take a lot of time. The goal of this video was to, get you an interesting way of gathering data, and this can go on and on. By the way, there are 3 ways I can help you. So if you are into directories, right? So if you are into directories, there are 3 ways I can help you, right? So there's this website called rapcourse.com. So if you want to build a directory product with no code and AI, I have like 10 plus lessons that you can check it out. And it's pretty detailed, and you can get a glimpse of it on my YouTube channel as well. I have done a very deep programmatic SEO tutorial that you can check, which I highly recommend. And here in this video course, I go very deep in what to do, how to build a directory business, like examples and how to identify research opportunities, how to start with lovable, via bold, and all of that, monetization models. I've spoke a lot on the directory topic in this video course. So I highly recommend checking it out. It's like $49 and you get access to all the course lessons, right? And by the way, if you are also interested in the research part, like if you want to find really interesting, unique directory ideas with insights, along with directory niches as well. I built this product called directoryideas.ai. I highly recommend checking this out, and you will get. So basically, this how this works is like you put in an input term of your wish, of your interest, whatever you're curious of, and you can just enter this term into this dashboard, and it will get you a lot of interesting directory ideas along with tons of insights like keyword search volume, how difficult it is, how you can gather data for this particular directory or this particular niche, what are people talking on internet, like social media stuff, data points needed, unique monetization strategies for each of this. Like there are a lot of stuff that you can get an idea of. So if you really want to build a directory business, I highly recommend checking directoryideas.ai. And in regards to pricing, I have a $69 yearly pricing as of now. I recently changed a bit, and there's a 7-day free trial if you do that. And if you want a lifetime deal, this is a steal deal actually. So if you want a lifetime deal, it's $129. I might increase this later on to 149 or 199 probably. Whenever you're watching this video, make sure if you are interested, make sure to get the subscription of this because it's really nice. I have been using it myself as well. So that's one thing that I wanted to share with this, in this video. Make sure to check my other videos as well. I have published one video on how to build a programmatic SEO directory from scratch with Cursor. Then another video I have about, I'll just open my YouTube and show it to you, right? Yeah. So as you can see, I have this video on how to build a simple directory with spread simple. Then this video on programmatic SEO directory has got a lot of demand. And if you are just like an entrepreneur or an indie hacker, want to grow their business overall, I have also this new video on how you can grow your business, online business with growth tactics. So I have been a marketer and been an indie hacker since last 4 to 5 years. So I have like put a lot of insights onto each and every video I have published. So make sure to check out my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Do subscribe because I have a lot of videos in my pipeline, so I can share, some interesting insights and ideas on monetizing your online businesses, made with directories or white coding, and all the growth marketing stuff. Because as you know, that growth and sales are the most important part of any business. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't, and see you in the next one. Bye.